learning. In the previous session number 16 and 17, I have shown how to use label encoding and one-hot encoding and convert the categorical features into Boolean. We can achieve the same by using getDummies function of pandas and convert the categorical variable into dummy variables. So let's start. As we can see, we need to first create our own data set. We'll have 4 columns: first name, last name, employment type, and country. And also we need to import the pandas library. So we'll execute these two. So what is the content of my data set? df or data columns is equals to, we need to specify all the columns. What are the columns? First name, and then there is a country column. So if we execute this, what's the content of my df? So my data frame is created with 4 columns: first name, last name, employment type, and country. The categorical feature, the employment type, has got 3 types: service, business, and the student. What we will do first, we'll take the column number 2, 0 is the first name, last name, and the column name is employment type, and we'll create 3 more columns which will be a binary column, like I will show in the next step, this step. So we'll create df1 is equals to pd dot, just type get dummies functions, then df of employment type typ. Execute this. Employment type will execute this again. Now if you see this value of df1, so it has only business, service, and student. Now again, if we create one more dummy variables, df2 is equals to pd dot get dummies df of country. So we can see the content of df2. There are 5 countries which I have already mentioned: India, US, Sweden, Australia, and Germany. Now if we want to merge all this field, how do we approach? So first what we'll do, we will give frames is equals to, what are the 3 data frames here? df, comma, df1, comma, df, and then we'll give result is equals to pd.concat, and then we'll give frames, comma, access is equals to 1. Access means the column wise. So we'll execute these 2 lines and then control enter. Now if we run this result, so it is very clear now. The first name, last name, employment type is the same, but and the country. After that, the 3 different column, business, service, and student, is added, which is nothing but a dummy Boolean type, and then the country dummy columns for the country is created. So in this way, it is very simple to convert the categorical columns into the Boolean columns. So this is a different approach of converting, rather than using one-hot encoding and the label encoding followed by one-hot. Following our same approach, if we want to convert our data set. So suppose if we have data set is equal to, we have our already the data set which we have worked in the previous examples, pre-processing. We'll go to our file explorer, and this is our data set, Datapreprocessing.csv. So our data set is there. We have imported it. Now we'll just have a look on the data set. .head. We can see the country again is in the a categorical format. So what we can do here, we can simply say dataset1 is equals to, and then we'll call the pd.getDummies dataset. What is the name of the column? Country, country, and then execute this. And what will be the content of this dataset? Dataset will have only the dataset1 will have only the countries. This is the dummy column which is created for all the countries in that column country. So this is how we can use getDummies and convert it. So now if we want to again merge it vertically, then frames1 is equals to pd.concatenate dataset, comma, dataset1. We have to use the square bracket. We'll execute this frame. Now frames will be equals to set, comma, dataset. So if we try frames 1, so we can see the frames 1 is empty. For that we will concatenate result 1 is equal to pd.concatenate frames 1, comma, access is equals to 1. If we type result here, so you can see easily Boolean columns is added at the end. So in this way we can use the getDummy function from pandas and convert categorical into a Boolean columns. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please comment and press the like button, and also subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want me to cover any other topic, please post in the comment section. Thank you.